Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's again PT. A lot of you have been very anxious to see how I actually style my TWA hair. So today I'll be showing you how I achieve curls on my hair. Please make sure you subscribe if you are new to this channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Stay tuned to see the magic. Before we continue, just take our time and subscribe. It's pretty easy. So these are the things I'm going to be using to create the curls on my hair. First of all, I'll need my spray bottle with water inside. I need to make my hair wet, moisturize before anything. So I'll be using the curl activator. I'll be using my Eco Styler gel, and I'll be using my whipped shea butter cream. I made it by myself. Please click the link above to watch the whole process. It's very good. It has about 5 other oils infused in it, and that's basically what I use on my hair on daily basis. It's really great. It moisturizes my hair, it keeps my hair in the exact state that I would love my hair to look. So please do check it out and try it at home as well. So first of all, I'm going to be spraying my hair with water. After that, I'll just go ahead and comb my hair. This is the comb I used to use before to comb my hair, but now my hair has grown past this length, so that's why I use this one now. So you want to always comb your hair depending on the length of your hair. So the tooth of the comb will basically depend on the length of your hair as well. You will not want to comb your very long hair with a comb like this one, otherwise you're gonna break all your hair off, and you don't want that. So after combing, I'll just go ahead and apply my shea butter, my whipped shea butter cream. I use it a lot, and I use it on my daughter's hair as well. My husband uses it as well. You know, I like to try a lot of DIYs, so I'll just go ahead and apply more. This stuff is really great. It also helps my hair detangle so easily, especially if my hair is still dry and I apply it. It just helps to comb my hair so easily. So I'm going to go in now with my Eco Styler gel. See, then come closer so you can see what I'm doing. This is what I do, to and fro movements using my hands. I'm going to add some more. You can see the curls are already popping. Just a little bit more. Just do the to and fro movements. And you already see some curls popping. You want to start the process on well deep conditioned hair. I had to like deep condition my hair. It's just that my hair was already dry, so I had to wait again a little bit. As you all know, I always like to leave in my deep conditioner for about 3 hours, but you don't need to. Depends on how much time you have and the type of hair you have. Now do not forget the back. or this whitish stuff is going to dry. It's going to dry off. Now going with my curl activator. As you can see, the curls are already popping. I might as well just leave it like this. I'm gonna apply this. Before I started keeping natural hair, I used to think for you to have this on your hair must be relaxed. Those are some of the things I've learned keeping my hair natural. There are a lot of things that we believe cannot be done with your natural hair until it is relaxed, until it is permed, but that is not true, guys. There are a lot of myths about natural hair that I came to realize only after keeping my hair natural. So I used to think until you relax your hair, you can't have this on your hair, which is not true. You just need the right products and the right method of application, and your hair is done. So you can see my curls are already popping. That's exactly how I wanted it to look. After this, I'll just allow it air dry. Now for those of us with short hair, do you try something like this at home as well? How do you define your curls? Please comment on the comment section. Tell me what you think. So I'll just allow it air dry and go wherever I'm going. That's all. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you to my returning subscribers. Please, if you are new to this platform, make sure you subscribe to have fun on your hair all the time. That's what this platform is all about, and you don't want to miss anything, guys. So stay tuned for more videos. Like I said the last time, I will be uploading another video to show how I'm struggling to grow my edges. You can see my hair is a little bit lighter here. I want it to grow a little bit thicker, so I will be coming to show you guys what I'm doing to grow the edges. I know a lot of us have problems with our edges every now and then, so I'll be showing you how you can easily grow them, or what I have been doing on a daily basis to grow my edges. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.